Look, if you cause trouble again, I'm going to ground you. So go to school. Chill.
Hey teacher, may I go to the bathroom?
Okay, fine, evil chicken, you can go. But if you don't come back, I'm calling chicken.
Instead of using the bathroom, I'ma pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. I gotta get out of there.
Evil chicken, did you pull the fire alarm?
Yes?
Evil chicken, go home. And plus I'm going to call chicken.
Evil chicken, how dare you pull the fire alarm? Thoughts IT, you're grounded for 838726282572837383839291435748595867950 years. Go to your room now.
Washington.